Today, I like to talk about the Vanguard's High Dividend Yield Index Fund, the ticker symbol VHYAX. It also has an ETF called VYM. It has an expense ratio of 0.08%. The yield is around 2.76% currently. Investment minimum is around $3,000. The share price is around $35.97. The inception date for this particular index fund is February 7, 2019. This index fund seeks to track a benchmark that provides broad exposure to US companies that are dedicated to consistently paying larger than average dividends. In addition to general stock market risk, this fund's emphasis on slower growing, higher yielding companies can also mean that its total return may not be as strong in a significant bull market. This income-focused fund may be appropriate for investors who have a long-term investment goal and a tolerance for stock market volatility. Let's look at performance and fees. Regarding the performance, the year-to-date is 9.10%, 1 year's 18.33%, 3 years 9.54%, 5 years is 10.6%. All right, let's look at the historical prices. So looking at a 10-year window, but the inception date is March 2019. So in March 2019, it was $25.88. Here in March 2024 is $36.51. Portfolio composition, there's 451 stocks in here. PE ratio is 17.7. Here are the sectors. There's basic materials, 2.2%. Consumer discretionary, 9.3%. Consumer staples, 11.9%. Energy, 9.9%. Financials, 21.80%. Healthcare, 11.8%. Industrial, 12.4%. Technology, 9.3%. Telecommunications, 4.7%. Utilities, 6.7%. Here are some of the top holdings. We have Broadcom, JP Morgan Chase, Exxon Mobil, Johnson Johnson, Home Depot, Procter & Gamble, Merck & Co., AbbVie, Chevron, Walmart, and it has, like I said, it has over 400 holdings. So let's look at page 2 and see some more holdings. We have Bank of America, Coca-Cola, PepsiCo, McDonald's, Wells Fargo, Cisco, Intel, Qualcomm, Comcast, Caterpillar. There is Verizon, IBM, Union Pacific, Texas Instruments, Pfizer, Amgen, Philip Morris, ConocoPhillips, Honeywell, etc. So you can come to the Vanguard's website and take a look at all these holdings. A lot of them are very familiar among the US market, and also as well as worldwide. They're very famous companies. The dividends given quarterly, so March, June, September, and December. The Vanguard High Dividend Yield Index Fund seeks to track the investment performance of the FTSE High Dividend Yield Index. Stocks included in the High Dividend Yield Index have a history of paying above average dividends. So again, come to this Vanguard's website and take a look at all these really good information on this index fund called VHYAX. Also, the ETF version is VYM. Thank you for listening to me today. This is James signing off.